Hey everybody, I'm Jason Ribi and welcome to my mountain riding masterclass. So we're going to take a little look at kind of how I would break down riding some sort of tech terrain, kind of trying to gain and sort of there's a little bit of a bench up here on our right hand side, kind of looking up that face. Like to try and get up there. So we're going to have a look at how I kind of get through the trees and utilize little bits to make it happen. How dark it is everywhere we go, and I can kind of gain an idea of what kind of coverage is behind me by looking at how much light is coming through the trees. Whether that's maybe a good option while I'm rolling or a bad option. So looking pretty dark ahead, probably looking for different options as it looks like it's kind of walling out. So even here, really utilizing my high side foot, not spinning excessively, and just hoping I'm going to get enough traction out of the corner. Using that outside foot to help push off a little bit. And checking what's above me all the time. So nice and easy on the throttle here. You know, we're side hilling with a bit of a hard layer underneath. So trying to only utilize throttle when I know I need it. Really over this. Transition, wrong foot forward. Taking a low line. Have a look. I'm gonna have to go downhill first pretty hard here to get out of this. Using that tree well, staying in between where I know it's shed because I'm going to get extra traction in there. So thanks for checking out my masterclass video on how to utilize and ride new terrain. Hopefully some of these tips and tricks will give you an edge when you're out conquering new terrain in the future.